Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How tired are you?
A lot. It's a 3 hours workshop and continuously standing and interacting with the people. But it's good.
So before we start and head hop on to the questions, can you give a short description, so short introduction of yourselves?
So basically, if I speak about my name, originally nobody knows. So known as a Mr. IoT. And I started my journey in Bangalore itself in the cybersecurity field. I used to support Null Bangalore and all. Then where I see like there are not much people in this hardware and IoT stuff. I used to be start doing small things in 2016 onwards. Then I started my community over there, and people not able to pronounce my name, so I had to find a handle. So Mr. IoT is a it is along with Mr. Robot series also popular that time, and I felt like let's add the robot instead of IoT.
I was surprised when I heard your name. I confirmed it twice or thrice. It's just that.
He's the guy like I maintain like that the man with no face.
Yeah.
Because where you can see the fun out of it when people are talking about you and basically that.
I like the twist there.
So that kind of fun you need to be feel. And I have a community called IoT SRG. It's a security research group along with my co-founder Shakib and all. We started this one. It's we do a lot of R&D on IoT devices like zero clicks, zero days. We build the products and all for the open source where people can download and learn the source.
Yeah.
So this is all we do. This is all about me.
So you took a workshop with the IdentityShield conference. How was the experience and what was the workshop about?
Yep. It all depends on the crowd. First of all, interaction is one of the main key when you're delivering the workshop because if you prepare something and if you're delivering, it's not the mean the people are understanding same. How much they're taking the knowledge is always depends on the what you are deliver. So I made interactive sessions like why you want to learn Bluetooth hacking and this is the question I started with there to understand what kind of mindset they have before they coming here. The when I hear that they know things but not completely why Bluetooth is really important, then I have showed some of the demos. Bluetooth is not only the transmitting and exchanging the data, it is now it is controlling the things.
Yeah.
So when you are doing the controlling and if there is a misconfiguration and all there, how it can take the control out of the that miscon from issues and if you are able to control the target, how dangerous it is when it's coming to the different industry. Let's take it as in medical industry, it is always high. Coming to the normal wearable devices and all, how low it is. I explain the differences between them and these things, how you need to do it with low end devices and all. I explained all the stuff. I received very good participant attention. They enjoyed it. And yes, it is always good to be taking new initiative in India. And thanks for the May Orange for giving me the opportunity also.
So, how was your experience at the Identity Shield, and how do you think a conference around cybersecurity is important in today's day and age?
Yes, it's pretty big answer will come from here, but coming to the security awareness, it is always difficulty to make them understand.
Yes.
Because the right guidance and right time will always save the time not to waste it. This is the only thing can possible either from the college or either from the conferences and cyber security. It's always depends on the what kind of conference also. It's not meaning there are conferences happening, not the all the people will come bring the something like a JSON like a speakers and all. Technicality is good, but giving the right knowledge to the audience is always matters. As some other folks said, like AI made everyone experts, but
Yeah.
is it right data you are getting? That one is validation is there because if you ask same question 3 times, it will give three same different answers.
Yes.
But people like us who started that time, there is no artificial intelligence and all. We learn everything from the scratch by hands.
Yes.
And we spend a lot of sleepless nights to fix one small code. But I can really appreciate AI is solving problems so faster. But the guidance, what they need to understand about the subject is always comes from the
Yeah.
right conferences. I see that one in the mini orange also. Like the Identity Shield Summit is really good. When you people are approached me, then I saw the like what they do, and went and checked out last past year, 6 years I think if you people are doing. So it is at 4 years, yeah. Sorry, and I seen your efforts, what you people are keeping over there, and as I started with a community partnership to broadcasting identity sale and all to update to the people what they're doing and all. Instead of that, let's share my knowledge also. So when I'm looking at all the organizing from the entrance to the till the audience and the booths and everything, it's very well planned. I love that the way you people are organized because connecting conference is not easy one and it requires a lot of efforts and all and people are really made good. Coming to the talks, I have attended few and I gave my workshop also. It's pretty decent. The way it is going and all, it is very smooth and people are giving their present very frequently learning time and all for that. The panels like Ashton Jacker and all, I have attended them and they give a lot of grateful insights. If you are starting a company, what and all you need to take the risk measures. One single conference you are getting this much knowledge is not an easy task.
Yes.
And finding such kind of speakers really great task and congratulations you people and their team and you have really brought the good folks.
Thank you.
And yeah, I love the conference. I loved it.
We hope to see you next year again.
Sure, definitely.
One more workshop because I got the response for the workshop. It was amazing. We want you to see it again. Come with a big workshop. And thank you for coming. It is because of people like you who bring in the knowledge and it acts as a gravitational force for everybody to attend the conference.
Good.
So thank you. Thank you so much. So, but great talking to you. We wish to see you again next.
Definitely. I love to be there.